see you're back at the lake house, so what's the word?
Word is it's ours.
Woohoo!
Looks all officially sold on the MLS, so today is button her up tight, make it all secure. Tomorrow, demo day.
All right.
And right now we're waiting on our architect dude to show up and give us some ideas.
All right.
So we'll see.
So we have a lake house.
Yes, we do. And it is a pile of work.
Well, at least we got a good view.
Yeah, definitely. Look at that. Duck and all.
We've just found that we've been getting some visitors that decided that they wanted to enter into the lake house for some reason. So they busted out our door. Broke the deadbolt.
And this side too's all busted up.
And they must have kicked it in or something. So we now have decided to put as priority number 1 to get a secure steel door on the back entrance to this house.
Yeah, put it your way.
Okay, so this is like day 1 on our new flip, and this is kind of ominous, and what's going on out here? Some big, massive hailstorm. We're just trying to put the storm door on, and we already got a storm.
Sorry, about 3 minutes too late.
How's that working out?
Rock solid. Boom. Lock.
Yay!
Lockdown. More. There you go. Walk it in.
Lock the door.
Hey, give it a shot.
Do it. Nice. Today we've been out mowing and trimming and cutting down lots of dead trees. So we're having a little bit of an outdoor beautification day, even though it's raining on us. Let's see what Dave's up to. One thing we found really strange is that on this property there's a bunch of fallen trees onto our porch, and the seller never decided to clear those away, which just seems really strange. So, getting ready to clear that off. Alright, so now we will be able to actually use the stairs going to our back porch. Most people keep food in their pantry, but let's see what Dave decides to keep in his pantry. Oh, it's a tool pantry. All kinds of different tools on all the different shelves. That looks very organized. I wonder if it'll look like that tomorrow. Very nice. We purchased this house from a bank, and unfortunately we found out that they didn't winterize their pipes.
Hey, this is going to open that beam up. This will kill 2 birds with 1 stone.
Right, there you go. Hey, it's getting to a dry area over here.
Okay, well that's good. And we know it's got to be right here. All right, you ready to put your goggles on and watch this go?
Sure.
See what happens. You ready?
Yeah.
Anything?
Maybe it healed itself. Here we go. We got hot coffee here.
Hot coffee. Okay, but here's the deal. The
Oh,
one's coming out right now.
There's
One's
two.
higher.
There's two. There's one leak there and one leak here. Well, at least you can fix both of those with one pipe. You're just packing up after leaving all this mess?
Yeah. All the care's done. This is what we do best.
Right.
Tear it apart and run.
That sounds right. I would say this flip is off to an ominous start.
Not ominous. Expected. We bought an REO. What do you expect? I mean, it's garbage from the bank.
Garbage from the bank. We did make a really good mess. Well, there's today's work. Well, now that we've had both the architect come out and also Dave's daughter Ashley, who's our interior designer, we've got a pretty good idea of what we want to do with the lake house. And in the basement level, it pretty much centers around taking out this enormous fireplace. We still have to get a structural engineer to come and let us know if we're going to be able to do that, so that the entire house won't collapse on us. So if we can do that, this basement level will be absolutely wide open and it'll be great. Then over on this side, where right now is kind of a kitchenette, we will transform that and make it look very nice by actually repurposing the countertops from the existing kitchen. They're going to go down here, and then we'll create a bar around that whole area, and we will completely redo this full bathroom that's down here right now that is really grim at the moment. And of course we're gonna have to repair our ceiling, which isn't looking too good. Now back on this main level, Dave's daughter Ashley has a lot of great ideas. This plan also centers around removing the fireplace from this level as well. If we can do that and take down these walls, this and all these rooms will be really wide open, a blank slate to work with. We need to take down this wall. I don't even know what this room is. It's kind of a library dining room. But if we can take this wall down, that wall goes to our kitchen. This kitchen is basically a complete redo. We're going to take out this island and put in a peninsula. This room, which is really quite strange at the moment, will need a redo as well, and we will be removing that strange fireplace from the bay window, and this will remain an office with a fantastic view of the lake. Hopefully somebody will be able to get work done and not just look out the window. Now going upstairs, there's a lot of design changes up here as well. We definitely have to move a wall here, because what's so odd up here is to get to the bedroom down there, you have to go through this person's bedroom. So we're going to put a wall along this to the left side and a new doorway, so then this person will be able to have some privacy when the people come through here to go to this other bedroom. This bedroom is so large that we're considering putting up a wall and creating two smaller bedrooms in this space. So that would turn this house into a 5-bedroom house, which would probably be a lot more marketable considering that it's a 6,000 square foot house. Right now, this one bathroom would be used by the people in 3 different bedrooms. We're considering changing the stairwell, because right now it's a spiral staircase that goes up to the attic level. Very difficult to get any furniture up there. And also, a spiral staircase is just strange. And my dog had trouble getting up the spiral staircase, so that definitely has to go. What we're talking about doing is moving this wall right here over 2 feet, and then creating a new hallway that will be on the right side and putting a straight stairwell right up to the attic level. Then I think the layout will be so functional because you can come up here, go to any of the bedrooms, or you can continue on going up to the next level on this straight stairwell. And so that'll all be really great. In this master bedroom, there are going to be some big changes, and there'll be big changes in the master bathroom. This area to the left will all get a glass enclosure. Where the tub is now will probably be a soaking tub, and this entire area will now become a very large walk-in shower, and it'll be very nice. On this side of the bathroom, all of this space will become a closet, and then the only other big change will be a large vanity will go the length of this wall with a large mirror. And this bathroom will go from being absolutely dysfunctional to completely functional and amazing. Now upstairs, as we mentioned, the only real huge change is that this strange spiral staircase will be removed. So we'll have a straight shot up to the attic level. This level, because of its layout, there's just really not a lot to be done. It's got all new windows, which are really great. And we kind of see this room as being a theater room. And you've got that great view of the lake up here. For the exterior of the house, one of the things we want to do is address these old garage doors, and we're talking about putting carriage style garage doors on there. This roof is really well past its prime, and so we're going to have that removed and replaced. Right now it's a shake roof, but we're going to change that into architectural shingles. Now the brick is all really in great shape, but there is a lot of painting that needs to be done. We're talking about potentially an exterior paint scheme using 3 different colors, 1 dark and 2 lighter, that should really transform the exterior and give it quite an update. Now for all these decks, we need to power wash everything, and we need to see, what needs to be replaced. And we'll have to restain all of the decking. It's going to be a big job because it's quite honestly one of the largest decks I've ever seen, because it's really a large surface area when you add all the decks together with the large master deck and these other ones. And back here we may possibly add a new doorway so there's easier access out to this back deck.
Well, as you can see, there's certainly lots of work to be done. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, so you can follow our progress on this massive lake house renovation.